Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's Tuesday, the day after Christmas. I just got done with the family Christmas. I'm going to run to Aldi, round out my week of groceries. We are getting so little because I have so much left over from our Christmas Eve, the Christmas that we hosted. I don't need much. I need some bare essentials, and I need a few things because she's getting her tonsils out, and we need to get basically pudding and if she sees something else, but we got to keep her hydrated, very soft foods, whatever she wants. So let's go in, get the week of groceries, and let's see what Aldi has for us. Plus, we're looking for Christmas clearance. Okay, she can only eat this for the next 2 days, but Elsie wants Oreos. We're getting, of course, the Aldi version, $2.49. Okay, the obvious choice for Elsie is chocolate pudding. We got 3 packs at 99 cents each. English muffins. This is funny because we had breakfast sandwiches last week, and it's one of those things that I haven't bought in so long, and we went through them and everyone wanted more, so of course I'm getting more. $1.39. I'm gonna get 2 packs. Okay, we completely ran out of the classic white, which is what my husband and son prefer, so I'm gonna grab another loaf. My son really wanted toast this morning and we had none. $1.29. I'm gonna get some Pink Lady apples. I use the rest of our apples at home for applesauce. $3.59. We are out of milk, $2.67 for some 2%. I'm gonna go with a full gallon, not the 3/4 gallon. We need tub butter, $2.29. We ran out of that too, and you can't make buttery toast without tub butter. Okay, they have some Christmas clearance. I was excited to look for this. They have pajamas, $1.99 only. Look pretty small, and then they have these really cute pajamas over here as well. $2.99 for pants. Probably see if they have one in my son's size. Adult sleep pant, extra small. Else, do you want these for you and Mila? Yeah. Rudolph?
Are they
sleeping pants?
Oh yeah.
Okay, Else approves the $1.99 Rudolph pants. But I have to laugh because on this side they have moved off of Christmas and it's all fitness. Now the holidays are over. Lose weight, get in shape. You can do it. Rah rah, shish kebab. Wow, even the plants are on clearance. $1.29 for those?
What flavor?
Oh my lord. Okay.
Is it just regular?
They have milk chocolate M&Ms for 99 cents and Kisses for 99 cents. And they have these bites for 99 cents, which I've wanted to buy these. So I'm probably gonna get a couple boxes of these because that seems like a really good price. They have a lot of things that were clearanced out. They don't have a lot left. Chocolate bombs, chocolate covered almonds. Okay, we're gonna get probably 3 of these. I know my kids will like them. I've been waiting for clearance. And then I'll get probably 2 bags of Kisses just because we have more pretzels and M&Ms. I don't think we need M&Ms. These are on clearance for 99 cents each, so I'm gonna get 1 box of each. These also are on clearance, but I don't want any of those. But they have all of these dipped pretzels. I'm not gonna get any of these because we have so many different sweets, and I just don't think this is a hit for our family, but 74 cents, a good deal. Okay, I'm actually gonna grab probably 4 bags of these holiday tortilla chips. We eat nachos, tacos, that kind of stuff frequently, and they're only 69 cents. They're good through April. I know we'll use them. Okay, we're gonna get $3.75, a lemon water, and then Elsie, tell the people what you just asked me for. And I'm gonna get them $7.28. I hate buying Gatorade, but I need to keep her hydrated. You're gonna keep this next to your bedside? Promise you'll drink it?
Yeah.
Okay, so the gelato's on clearance too. It's been here forever. I asked Elsie if it was worth getting, and what did you say?
No, none of the flavors sound good.
So we're gonna leave them there, but that's a really good price, and they're good through August of 2025. But not for us. This is the perfect case for your post-holiday diet. 0 calories. Okay, so over here, I'm not gonna give a close-up because it's gonna really vary store to store, but a lot of the cheese is marked down and on clearance. Uh-oh, I spy one I am gonna go look at. I'll meet you there. Okay, so I'm a little disappointed because I saw the goat cheese is 62 cents, but it's gingerbread and eggnog. I'm the only one that likes goat cheese, and I don't like these flavors, so I was hoping for a little cranberry or something else for that price, but I'm gonna have to pass. But if you like those kind of flavors, come check out the clearance. I'm getting one thing of sweetened condensed milk for $1.39 and one of evaporated milk for 89 cents. My husband wants to make rice pudding. Okay, we're actually going to go put the Oreos away because since finding the cake bites, Elsie is gonna put Oreos back and we're gonna get one more box of cake. It's a win for my wallet and for Elsie. We missed out on other clearance stuff, but they have speculoos cookies, the hot chocolate guys, more speculoos cookies. And I'm not gonna eat these anytime soon, but I thought they were really good. And for $1.12, actually, I'm not. We have too much at home, but they are really good, and I recommend them. 5 of my waters, 89 cents a piece. They have a lot of them. Okay, go for it, girl. Okay, well, she's putting those back. Here is our cart. Lots of things we don't need. This is how we survive off pantry meals. But I love Christmas clearance. So, any guess on the total? Okay, the total for all that was $51.57. I do not have a meal plan for the rest of the week. We are gonna go eat what food we have, lots of leftovers. If you wanna see what a normal grocery haul looks like, you can check out this video right here. I bought Joy for $4. Look at this, guys. Aldi, Isle of Shame, yay, thank you.
Chow down and chow.